Hey everybody, it's Danny here at Danny Reviews, and this here is the AUTO-VOX RV backup camera system. You're going to get 3 cameras, your left and right, and then also your center. Now my center's not on because I need to go ahead and figure out where I'm going to mount it. But you do have your left and right turn signals. I'll show you what those look like. I have those mounted already, but I like how I can move this display around and you can see your left and right. So your blind sides, which is really nice inside this rig. So there you go. That's the driver's side there with the slide out. I can let's go to this view. Let's go one more. See the right side. The rear camera is going to have 2 cameras and then right. So there's the right side. There's the door. Now, when you're driving, you're going to be able to see. And I know it doesn't do it justice, but this is super clear. When I'm looking at this display, it's super clear. And I like how wide it is. And I can see my blind spots. That's mainly what I'm going to be using this for. The rig already has a camera built into the back, which I'll see on my main display in front of me. But I don't have these side cameras. This rig doesn't have side cameras. So now I do, and I'll go ahead and show you outside what those look like. So you can see here where I have them installed. I have one on each side. I went ahead and removed the side lights and then installed these. So these are in there, and then you can angle the lenses itself. And so they also now replace the lights. So they also have LED lights. You have your antennas there for your signals. And then that camera is going to allow me to see, you can see the passenger side. And these lights are nice, especially coming down the road. I like how they stick out a little bit. So people can see me coming down. Also a safety feature. And then let's go ahead and take a look at that in the back camera. The back camera, I do have to get installed. I don't have it installed yet, but you can see here, you can move both camera lenses. So you can have one aiming down, one pointing out, and then you'll have 2 antennas that you can attach on to each side there. And again, this will wire in. I have to figure out how I'm going to wire in my back camera, but it does wire in. It can trigger when you hit the reverse too, when the rig is in reverse. So huge shout out to the company though for gifting me this so I can do this review. But if you're looking for a RV backup camera system with side lights too as well, there's side cameras as well, definitely check out this system here because it's going to give you all your views that you would need to go down the road safely.